I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn on the water lock feature on your Fitbit Charge 6. Step 1. Swipe from top to bottom repeatedly on your Fitbit Charge 6 home screen until you see water lock, and then tap water lock. You'll see a message letting you know that if you want to turn this feature on, then you'll need to tap twice firmly in the center of your device's screen. Step 2. Firmly tap twice in the center of your screen. You may need to do this a few times. When you're successful, you'll briefly see the icon on your screen switch to say locked, and you'll see a message scrolling across the top of your Fitbit Charge 6 home screen letting you know that your fitness tracker is water locked. You can disable the water lock on your Charge 6 at any time by tapping the screen until you see a message telling you that you need to firmly double tap the screen to turn the water lock off. Firmly tap the center of the screen twice. Again, you may need to do this a few times. When you're successful, the message will disappear and the water lock will be disabled. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.